Weyerhaeuser's data transformation success story with People Tech Group. Weyerhaeuser, one of the world's largest private owners of timberlands, has a vast amount of data to manage. With 4 terabytes of data, 50-plus databases, and 150 SQL Server Integration Services (SSIS) jobs, they were looking for ways to upgrade their data landscape to meet the demands of their growing business. Weyerhaeuser's goals were to reduce costs, improve scalability, enhance support for structured data and machine learning, increase agility and efficiency. Weyerhaeuser partnered with People Tech Group to develop a cloud migration strategy and implement a Synapse solution that would help them achieve their goals. Synapse is a powerful and scalable data platform that manages large amounts of data and offers a wide range of features and benefits. It's the perfect solution for organizations like Weyerhaeuser that need to manage large amounts of data. With People Tech Group, Weyerhaeuser has been able to reduce costs by moving to the cloud, improve scalability with Synapse's elastic compute and storage capabilities, enhance support for structured data and machine learning with Synapse's built-in features, increase agility and efficiency with Synapse's unified platform for analytics, machine learning, and data warehousing. Weyerhaeuser excels in data-driven decisions, driving business goals and innovation. We are happy to have played a crucial role in their journey towards a brighter data-driven future. People Tech Group is committed to helping enterprises succeed in the data-driven world, offering a wide range of data services. If you are looking to upgrade your data landscape, contact People Tech Group today.